Hey everyone, how's it going today? Today I'll be replacing a HP model number. Let me see, what is the model number? Gosh, it's hard to see that. It is 15 db0015dx LCD. So the first thing what I like to do on these laptops, or any laptop, mostly consumer laptops nowadays, not touchscreen ones, are easy to repair. So what you do is, man, I haven't replaced something like this for a while, but anyways, most of the time you need something to get in there, like something. Okay, since this LCD is broken, it doesn't really matter much. So you see, I just had to get something in there. Most of the time you just use your finger, but I cut my nail, so it's a little bit harder. But supposed to be out, but it's not. Something is holding it. Some kind of sticky glue from the old screen is holding it. Not sure why am I doing so much work. Oh. So, I mean, I'm okay with this. Let's see if I can just replace the laptop screen. Okay, first screw. Sorry guys for the wobbly camera. One screw I removed from here, second one from here, third one from here. So now take your time, you guys, if you're not new to it. Once you remove the plastic, just tape, it just goes backward. You don't want to go sideways to mess up the connections. The connections, like if it's 4 connection, you want to make sure 4 fits in perfectly, but there's a lot more obviously than that. So now we get the new one out of there. Come on, come on. I try to do as fast as possible to show you what is the fastest we can change a laptop screen. But as you guys can see, sometimes things are a little bit harder. Or you don't get the same packages all the time, so you don't know what to open. Now what you do is you just leave it there, leave it. Don't worry about it, and just insert this. You see how I'm holding it? It's like, once you do that, then you go side, right, left. Once the gold metal's attached, like closed lips, and that's it. Then you leave this right here. Now you take your screws. You only had 4 screws. And that's it. One right here. One the opposite side. Sorry you can't see it on the video, but it's exactly like the first one. Now 2 in the bottom. Don't worry, this thing is not closed. Sometimes if your screwdriver is not magnetic, you have to kind of, let me see if there's some magnet over here. One of these things have a magnet. Okay, now it's magnetic. This thing's supposed to come off, but I think it's broken or somewhere, or it's not coming off. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time. I'm not gonna stress about it. I don't want to really care about taking it out. Now it automatically closes. Now I just clip the connections. Once that is done, then I just press this, put it back to the way it used to be. Now let's go another layer. Now that should be it. Okay, now I'll turn it on, see if it have any charge, any juice. Okay, HP. I don't know why it's flickering in front of you guys somehow, but it's not flickery. Everything's good. No worries. And it shows like this because the camera, I guess, makes it look flickery. But if you see it from different angles, it's not like this. Actually, to me, it shows very clear. To you guys, it shows flickery. I think this is my recording place. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe and have a beautiful, blessed day.